institutions that are the stewards of our resources and agents of development have long been a major source of public frustration. Drastic reforms within these agencies have yielded results. Our government-owned and controlled corporations, infamous for high salaries and bonuses being paid for their executives and employees, have started to shape up. As of July 9, 2019, we collected more than 61 billion from GOCCs, or government corporations, 32 of which, or 32% is 16 billion from Pagcor. This is more than the 36 billion collected in 2017. My salute to Andrea Domingo. Magpasugal ka pa ng marami.